Is your microwave louder than it should be? A noisy microwave can be annoying, especially at night. Some noise is normal, but loud sounds are not. Different noises point to different problems. Always unplug the microwave before checking anything. Noise usually comes from vibration or loose parts. An uneven surface can cause vibration. Make sure the microwave sits flat and stable. This simple fix often reduces noise instantly. Loose items inside can cause rattling. The turntable is a common noise source. Food debris can stop smooth rotation. Clean all rotating parts thoroughly. Dry parts reduce friction noise. Make sure everything sits correctly. This fix solves most rattling sounds. The cooling fan can also create noise. Blocked vents force the fan to work harder. Keep vents clean and clear. Lack of airflow increases noise. Leave space behind the microwave. Nearby cabinets can amplify sound. A vibration mat absorbs noise. A towel can help temporarily. A loud hum may indicate internal issues. The magnetron powers the microwave. Unusual sounds should not be ignored. Never open a microwave yourself. Microwaves store dangerous electricity. Some problems require professional repair. Older microwaves are often louder. Sometimes replacement makes more sense. Newer models are designed to be quieter. Inverter microwaves reduce noise. Proper use reduces stress on parts. Overloading increases vibration. Clean your microwave regularly. Small steps prevent big noise. The difference is noticeable. A quiet microwave improves comfort. You can fix most noise issues easily. Always prioritize safety. Care extends appliance life. Level it, clean it, and ventilate it. Thanks for watching.